Hi, I am Salman from www.aimstutorial.in. In this video, you will learn Mathematics 1B Rotation of Axis. What is rotation of axis? If the axes are rotated through an angle theta without changing the position of origin, the transformation is called a rotation of axis. If the axes are rotated to an angle theta without changing the position of origin, the transformation is called rotation of axis. So before rotation, this is our horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. Point of intersection of them is origin. Okay, if axes are rotated through an angle, so this is our new x-axis and this is new y-axis after rotating the axis. So if the coordinates x comma y of a point are transformed to capital X comma y when the axes are rotated to an angle theta about the origin, then small x can be represented as capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and small y can be represented as capital X sin theta plus Y cos theta, and capital X equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y equals to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. If the coordinates of x comma y of a point are transformed to capital X comma y when the axes are rotated through an angle theta, we can represent small x small y in terms of capital X capital Y with the help of sin theta cos theta, as well as capital X capital Y can be represented in terms of small x small y with the help of sin theta cos theta. Remembering all these four formulas is difficult, so we follow the transformation table. The above formula can be remembered easily by using the following table called transformation table. So in a transformation table, take 3 rows and 3 columns. So first write down theta, capital X, capital Y, small x, small y, cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay, from this one we can express small x in terms of capital XY and small y in terms of capital XY, like that, vice versa, capital X in terms of small xy, capital Y in terms of small xy. From this table, small x equals to, if you want to write the value of small x, this can be capital X cos theta, x into cos theta is capital X cos theta, y into minus sin theta is minus y sin theta. So small x equals to x into cos theta x cos theta minus plus y into minus sin theta is minus y sin theta. We have to multiply these two and we have to add them. Here minus is there, so small x equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Like that, what about small y? Small y can be represented as this x into sin theta x sin theta plus this y into cos theta is y cos theta. Therefore, small x equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta, small y equals to capital X sin theta plus y cos theta are called transform equations. Now, similarly, from this table, we can express capital X in terms of small x sin y also. So, capital X equals to this x into cos theta x cos theta plus y into sin theta y sin theta. X equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Like that, capital Y equals to this x into minus sin theta is minus sin theta plus y into cos theta is plus y cos theta. Capital X equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital Y equals to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Like this, we can remember the 4 formulas of x and y in terms of small x as well as small xy, capital XY. Now finding original and transform equations. Note, if f of x comma y equals to 0 be the equation of a curve when transform equation when the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the origin is f of x cos theta minus y sin theta comma x sin theta plus y cos theta. If the given equation is f of x comma y equals to 0, that is given curve, if you want to find transform equation, we have to write in the place of small x, x cos theta minus y sin theta. In the place of small y, we have to write x sin theta plus y cos theta. Then you will get the equation of transform equation. Since we have small x equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta and small y equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta. If capital f of capital X comma y equals to 0 be the transform equation of the curve, then its original equation when the axes are rotated through an angle theta about the origin is, when a transform equation in terms of capital X comma y is given, okay, then its original equation, old equation f of x cos theta plus y sin theta comma minus x sin theta plus y cos theta equals to 0. Means when transform equation given, we have to write in the place of capital X cos theta plus y sin theta, and in the place of capital Y we have to write minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Since we have capital X equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta and capital Y equals to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Using these formulas we can find out when a transform equation is given, we can find original equation. When original equation is given, we can find out transform equation. If the rotation is clockwise direction, then replace theta by minus theta. If the rotation is generally anti-clockwise, if the rotation is in clockwise direction, we have to write theta by minus theta. In the place of theta, we have to write minus theta. Exercise 2.2 short answer problems. If the axes are rotated to an angle theta 30 degrees, then find the coordinates of 1, 2 in the new system. So given original coordinates 1, 2, let capital X, Y be the new coordinates of the given point. Here we find capital X, Y by using the transformation table. The transformation table is theta is given 30 degrees. Okay, so we have to find the values of capital X, Y. So x equals to x cos theta plus y equals to x equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta. So y equals to minus x sin theta plus y sin theta. So these are the values of capital X, Y. Here theta is 30 degrees and x equals to 1, y equals to 2. If you substitute x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and theta is 30 degrees, then so capital X equals to x means 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus y is 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 into root 3 plus 2 ones are 2. So root 3 plus 2 by 2. Similarly, y equals to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta minus x is 1. So what about sin theta? Sin theta is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we are adding minus 1 by 2 plus y is 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So minus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Okay, these are the values of x and y. The new coordinates are root 3 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Next question. When the axes are rotated through an angle of 60 degrees, the point P is changed as 3, 4. Find P. Given that theta is 60 degrees, given point is 3, 4, is either original coordinates or new coordinates. Clearly it is new coordinates. So capital X, Y is 3, 4, given theta is 60 degrees and capital X, Y is 3, 4. Here we find small x, y by using the transformation table. What about transformation table? Theta is 60 degrees, capital X equals to 3, capital Y equals to 4. We have to find the values of small x, y. So what about x here? X equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta. So x is 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus y is 4, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So 4 into root 3 by 2. If you take LCM, 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2. So this is our value of small x. Like that, what about small y equals to? Small y equals to x into sin theta plus y into cos theta. So x into sin 60 plus y into cos 60. Value of x is 3, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 plus value of y is 4 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2. Therefore, point P is 3 minus 4 root 3 by 2 and 3 root 3 plus 4 by 2. Find the angle to which the axis to be rotated to remove the xy terms from the equation. Find the angle to remove xy terms. So given equation is x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. Compare this with second degree general equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square, that is okay, and that means a equals to b. What is the formula to remove xy terms? That is 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. If a equals to b, then theta equals to pi by 4. We know that if a equals to b, then theta equals to pi by 4. We get the required angle of rotation is pi by 4. Find the transform equation of x cos alpha y sin alpha equals to p if the axes are rotated to an angle alpha. Now this is for 4 marks HCQ question. Find the transform equation of x cos alpha y sin alpha equals to p when axes are rotated to an angle alpha. So let capital X comma y be the new coordinates of small x comma y. Here we find small xy value by using the transformation table and substitute in the given equation. So the transformation table is theta is given alpha. So these are the transformation table. From this one we can write small x and y values in terms of capital X and y. So small x equals to x cos alpha minus y sin alpha, and small y equals to x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. X equals to x cos alpha minus y sin alpha, y equals to x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. The transform equation is x cos alpha minus y sin alpha into cos alpha plus x sin alpha plus y cos alpha into sin alpha equals to p. In given equation we are writing value of x and y. If you multiply x cos alpha into cos alpha cos square alpha minus y into sin alpha cos alpha, like that x sin alpha into sin alpha x sin square alpha plus y sin alpha cos alpha. So plus minus y sin alpha cos alpha get cancelled. So remaining terms, if you take x common, x cos square alpha plus if you take x common, y sin square alpha, and what about cos square plus sin square is 1. So x equals to p is the required equation, transform equation. Now one more question. Find the transform equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equals to 9 when the axes are rotated to an angle pi by 4. So this is also for 4 marks question. We have to find transform equation. First write down the given equation. Let capital X comma y be the new coordinates of small x comma y. Angle of the rotation is pi by 4. Theta is pi by 4. We find small x comma y values by using the transformation table and substitute in the given equation. First we have to find the values of small x, small y using the transformation table and write the values in given equation. So this is our transformation table. So theta is pi by 4. So we can write x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta. So x equals to x cos pi by 4 minus y sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4, sin pi by 4 both are 1 by root 2. So it will become x minus y by root 2. Similarly, y equals to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Theta is pi by 4, x sin by 4, y sin pi by 4. And here values of sin theta and cos theta. Sin pi by 4, cos pi by 4 both are how much? Sin 45 degrees equals to cos 45 degrees equals to pi by means cos pi by 4 sin pi by 4. 45 means pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So the transform equation is 3 times of x square, but value of x is x minus y by root 2, plus 10 times of x and y. Value of x is x minus y by root 2 and value of y is y plus y by root 2, plus 3 times of y square. Value of y is x plus y by root 2 whole square. Expand using a minus b whole square. So root 2 square is 2, root 2 into root 2 2, root 2 square is 2. So LCM is 2. So 3 times of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, x square minus y square 10 times a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 9. After simplification of numerator we get, so 3x square plus 10x square plus 3x square is 16x square minus 3 to the 6xy plus 3 to the 6y get cancel, 3y square plus 3y square, 6 minus 10 is minus 4y square. So each one divided by 2. So you will get x square plus minus 2y square equals to 9. Taking 2 common and get cancelled. Okay. Now sixth one, if the transform equation of a curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square equals to 225, when the axes are rotated to an angle 45 degrees, then find the original equation of the curve. Now sixth question is, if the transform equation of a curve is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square equals to 225, when the axes are rotated to an angle 45 degrees, then find the original equation of the curve. Here transform equation given, theta is given, we have to find original equation we have to find. So first let small x comma y be the original coordinates of capital X comma y. Angle of rotation is theta is 45 degrees. 45 means pi by 4. We know that sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 also 1 by root 2. So theta is 45. This is our transformation table. So from this one we have to write the values of capital X, capital Y in terms of small x and y. So what about capital X equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital X equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta. So if you substitute, theta is pi by 4, cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4, both are 1 by root 2. So x plus y by root 2. These are the values of capital X. Like that, capital Y equals to, we can write first y cos theta minus x sin theta, minus this is there, so we are writing minus after. So cos pi by 4, sin pi by 4, both are 1 by root 2. So this will becomes y minus x by root 2. So these are the values of x and y we have to write in the given equation. So the original equation of the curve is 17 times of x square, x value is x plus y by root 2, minus 16 times of x and y plus 17 times of y square equals to 225. So expand using a plus b whole square. 17 by root 2 square is 2, a square plus 2ab plus b square, minus 16 by root 2 into root 2 is 2, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Here y into y, y square, x into minus x is minus x square. A is y, b is x. So plus 17 by 2, 17 root 2 square is by 2 by 2, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to 225. If you take LCM, multiply 17 into x square, 17x square, 17 2s are 34, 17 y square, 16 y square minus 16 y square plus 16 x square. This one 17 x square, 17 2s are 34 plus 17 y square equals to, cross multiply with 2, so 2 into 225. After simplification we get, so 34xy get cancel, 17 plus 16 plus 17 is 50 y square, and 17 minus 16 is 1, 1 plus 17 is 18 y square. So each one divided by 2, so you will get 25x square plus 9y square equals to 225. Next question, find the transform equation of x square plus root 2 root 3 xy minus y square equals to 2a square when the axes are rotated to an angle theta 30 degrees. Let capital X comma y be the new coordinates of small x comma y. So given theta is 30 degree, we know that sin 30 and cos 30. What about sin 30? Sin 30, how much? Sin 30 is sin 30 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. The transformation table is, here we find x values by using the transformation table and substitute in the given equation. So theta is 30. From this transformation table we can write the values of small x and small y in terms of capital X and capital Y. So x equals to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Theta is 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is, and y equals to x sin 30 plus y cos 30. So we can write cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into x root 3 by 2 minus y sin 30 is 1 by 2. So x into root 3x minus y by 2 is the value of x, and y is x sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So x plus root 3 y by 2. These are the values of x and y we have to write in the given equation. The given transform equation is, transform equation, required transform equation, x square plus 2 root 3xy minus y square equals to 2a square. Expand using a minus b whole square. So root 3 square is 3x square minus 2ab 2 root 3xy plus b square means y square. Here 2 root 3 as it is, first multiply this 2, root 3x into x root 3x square, root 3 into root 3 3xy minus y into x minus xy minus y into root 3y root 3y square. Expand using a plus b whole square. A square root 3 square is 3y square plus 2ab, minus is there, multiply with minus. So 3x square here. So 2 root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2s are 6x square, and 3 minus 1 is how much? 3 minus 1 is 2xy. So we are multiplying this one. So root 3 into 2, 2 2s are 4 root 3xy, and root 3 into root 3 is 3, 3 2s are minus 6y square. So 3x square minus 2 root 3x square plus y square, first term as it is, 6x square plus 6 root 3xy minus 2 root 3xy minus 6y square. Okay, here 2 root 3 plus 6 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3xy get cancelled. So what remains? X square minus 8y square, 3 plus 6 9 minus 1 8x square, 1 minus 6 minus 3 is minus 8y square equals to a square. So both side 8 and divide, 8 and get cancelled, x square minus y square equals to a square.